This is Pratham Saldhi from CPE 187, and we are performing lab 5, the breadboard part. So I already have my project in the debug mode, and now I go to the Texas display software. I go to COM, I go to this option, open port. It says COM4 is open. Then I go to edX, where I give a lab number of 5, and a standard number is 2260. I say great. Now I'm supposed to press the reset button on my launchpad. So here is my launchpad. I press the reset button here, and we see the data coming on the Texas display window, and we also get a grade of 100.